Today we'll be talking about the installation of the S550 Tension Links from Steeda Autosports. To do the installation, you're going to need the following tools: a 1/2-inch drive socket, a 21mm socket, a 24mm socket, and lastly, our favorite tool, a hammer. With the car's support on a lift or jack stands, you'll need to remove the front wheels. It's not necessary to remove the brake rotors as shown, but it does give you more space to work. You'll need to remove the factory tension links by using a 21mm socket to remove the spindle bolt. A hammer can be used as shown to help ease the control arm out, and a 24mm socket to remove the subframe bolt. Once you put the Steeda lower control arm in place, reuse the factory nuts and bolts to secure it. The spindle bolt needs to be torqued to 85 foot-pounds, while the subframe bolt should be torqued to 185 foot-pounds while the suspension is loaded. It's important to note that alignment is highly recommended after installing this part. Thank you for choosing Steeda, where speed matters.